Sometimes they are funny. Sometimes they are annoying or even frustrating. They can disrupt you at the most inconvenient times. No, I am not talking about your friends. I am talking about hiccups. Haven't you ever wondered why hiccups occur? Here is the science behind hiccups. Hiccups are repeated spasms or sudden movements of the diaphragm that you can't control. The diaphragm is the muscle that separates your chest from your stomach area and plays an important role in breathing. A spasm in your diaphragm causes your vocal cords to suddenly close, producing a hic sound.